Stand up, Adele. Hi. Adele's walking where Daddy's work today, and it's November 13th, I believe. Yes. Or 12th. Adele's 11 months old. She loves to walk around. Adele, turn around. Adele. Adele. Where are you going? Hi. Come here, Adele. Let's go get the guys. Where'd Simon go? Let's go find Daddy and Simon. Come here, Adele. Come here. Let's go get Daddy and Simon.